In this video, you'll learn how to use Teamviewer on Mac in just a few minutes so you can remotely control other computers or let someone access your Mac with ease. First, go to teamviewer.com and download the latest version of Teamviewer for macOS. Open the installer file, follow the on-screen instructions, and grant the required permissions in your system settings to allow remote control access. Next, launch Teamviewer on your Mac. You'll see your Teamviewer ID and password on the main screen. These are the credentials you or someone else will use to connect to your Mac remotely. Now, to control another computer, type the partner's Teamviewer ID into the partner ID field. Then click Connect. When prompted, enter the password they shared with you to start the secure remote session instantly. After that, you'll see the other computer's screen on your Mac. You can move the cursor, type, open files, and run programs as if you were sitting right in front of that computer, no matter where it's located. Once you're connected, use the toolbar at the top to access features like file transfer, audio communication, screen recording, and session switching. These tools make Teamviewer powerful for both support and productivity. And that's it. You now know how to use Teamviewer on Mac to connect, control, and collaborate from anywhere in the world.